Namaste friends, welcome back to Feathersuit. In today's topic, we'll be seeing how to care our birds during monsoon season, and what possible precautions we should take as a bird keepers. Guys, we know that birds doesn't like in any season which is like not in favor of them. Summer is the most likable season for birds, which once again they'll be away from the possible diseases and infection. But having said that, winter and rainy seasons are not at all favorable for birds, but there are certain precautions which we can take, and once it is okay, then when they are set to our aviary, then no need to worry, and that will be an easy go for us. uh, Steps to be followed is you should be ready for a climate change. For example, guys, this is a month of June. Now the monsoon has started in Bangalore, hopefully in almost all parts of India also. Now it's a bit sunny. In other 1 hour you cannot expect the same weather to be there, then it will start raining heavily. Okay, so you should be ready for the climate change. Keep the clay cage and the surroundings very clean. That's a very clear hygiene is a very key, guys. So you can see my cages. I have told in many of my videos, since I have only limited cages, even then I just give them a quality time for cleaning. There is where you keep your birds very healthy. Okay, so and change water every single day. Okay, even especially in winter season you are supposed to change water. Why? Because all infections happens to birds, especially in winter itself. So water is one bad thing which you are not taking care, then it will be difficult for your birds. And give them protein rich seed mix, something like sunflower, safflower seed, flax seeds, nigger seeds, red millets, canary seeds. That's a very good buy, because in winter and rainy birds eat very less, and you are supposed to give them the things what is required in that only small feed what they take, especially in this season. And keep the birds place warm. Suppose even if you are, see, I have kept my birds in an outside aviary where there will be a lot of cold breeze and everything. For those I have used some big blankets, and I have covered my cages from the direct breeze which is coming out. So I am not saying like they will not get a cold breeze. Yes, they get. Now all my birds have the threshold capacity of uh, standing withdraw, standing against it. Why? Because I have made them to set in almost all climate, so that they are now get completely set to my place. And and also I'll be having an eye on regular interval, so that that will be an easy easy and identify. It will be easy for me to identify if there is any problems occurring to my birds. And always go for breeding box than pots. Guys, breeding box is one good thing which I would like to prefer or suggest anyone. Why? Because breeding box is an all season box. Even if you are giving the breeding, or if a bird is breeding in the winter season or rainy season, they keep breeding box keep the chicks as well as their parent as well as the parents warm. Okay, so always go for breeding box than pot is anyway it will be a cold inside, and in winter you no need to say anything, guys. So it will automatically be not of in favor of the chicks. Okay, so in order to reduce the mortality, you are supposed to give them the breeding box than pot. And all types of soft food should be given only for the limited period of time. So why? Because winter or monsoon is a certain season where infections occurs to the maximum number of birds. So even if you are giving any type of soft food, make sure that you take that soft food whether the bird is eating or not soon after the 2 hours or 2.5 hours. So you are not supposed to keep more than that, so that once after that is done, then bacteria and infections will happen, and it will directly affect the bird. And also in this weather you are not supposed to give much green leaves and spinach varieties. Even if you are giving, make sure that you are giving thrice a month or once a week, so that's more than enough. So you can give all types of leaves, I'm not saying no, birds likes eating it, but make sure that you give in a limited quantity, at least once a week or thrice a month, as I was telling. So guys, this is about the small precautions which we need to take, and we should be ready for making our birds set in almost all weather. So this is about caring birds in monsoon season. So this is I thought, okay, let me do a small topic regarding this, so that will be benefiting. And also many were asking about what should we do during this rainy season. So guys, this is about the small topic about this particular season. This is Chetan signing off from Feathersuit. Stay home, stay safe.